We have about 25 acres of land here,
Okay.
and we do buy some farm and chocolate.
Okay.
Join us on our chocolate factory tour on the island of Dominica.
This is
So
the
they're
drying
drying.
process, huh?
Yep.
Very nice.
So whenever we have a lot of cocoa, we cut them.
Mm-hmm.
We fill 3 boxes or more,
Mm-hmm.
and in each box, it has to stay for 2 days.
Okay.
So with the yeast in the air, it's going to ferment
Mm-hmm.
and mix alcohol and vinegar.
Okay.
After that 6 days of fermentation, put it on any one of the racks to dry, and if it's sun, it stays 1 week. If it's rain, it stays 2 or more before drying. So that's it here.
Okay. So when you have that in there in the mixture of the alcohol and the vinegar,
No, it creates.
creates
its
it?
oh,
own
it creates alcohol and vinegar.
Because
Okay.
it's fermenting.
Because around the beans,
Mm-hmm.
there's a white pulp,
Oh, that's the part. Okay.
and
yeah.
that's what that creates the alcohol.
Alcohol. What do you all
Okay.
do with that mixture?
When we have the vinegar, sometimes we sell the vinegar,
Mm-hmm.
and the alcohol, maybe Mr. Nuclear uses it.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
But the vinegar can use on salads and any other foodstuffs.
Okay.
Foodstuffs as well.
Mhm.
Okay.
Very nice.
Nice.
Very nice. And what do you use to grind it? To grind it down?
So from here, we are going back to the other side.
Okay.
So,
Hey, what's up? You're looking magically beautiful today.
Magically different. Nice. This is where it happens.
yep.
The oven.
So after you have taken the dry beans from the other side,
Mm-hmm.
bring it to this oven. Purpose for roasting the beans is to bring out a much better and richer substance for the chocolate, and to also make the skin comes out easier.
Mm.
While it's warm, takes it to the breaker or the grinder.
Ah, while
That's
it's
the grinder.
warm.
Okay. You have to do it while warm.
Yes.
Okay.
Puts it here, breaks it into small pieces of beans and skin, and the mixture that we get from here, puts on the vacuum, takes the mixture to the winnower.
Oh, that. Okay. So this sucks it up.
Yes, so
Okay.
it takes the mixture to the winnower. It goes down, puts the mixture here, sorry.
Oh, here.
It goes down, sucks up the skin,
Ah, because
and
it's
the
lighter.
heavier pieces of beans
Yes, drop.
falls in the grain container,
Ah, okay.
and the skin's in the other.
Nice.
Makes sense.
So that's the mixture.
This is the heavy parts.
That's the beans and the skin.
Okay.
So this fine skin is used as compass,
That's the skin. Okay.
also to make black tea,
Okay.
Ah,
and presently used in Dominica
Nice.
to make cocoa powder.
Hmm.
And
so you can use the skins to make cocoa powder?
yeah,
Ah.
and this is the final results.
The heavy one.
Yeah,
The nibs.
after it's been separated.
The cocoa
Cocoa
nibs.
nibs, yeah.
Nice.
Smells so good.
Smells good.
So we take this and we're going downstairs to where the chocolate is being made.
Do the cocoa trees grow wild at all on the island? Or
Well,
do they,
yes,
it's all
because
coconut?
it's a white plant. This is a white
It
plant.
goes wild.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Nobody wants yesterday.
It's so silly.
What is that?
This is jackfruit.
Oh, that's a jackfruit.
In Dominica, it's bread nuts.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what they call it here? Red nut?
Red nut. Look at that.
Yeah.
The big one.
And
Oh, yeah.
That's the jack.
Temporary room. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. It has to be cool.
It has to be cool.
the
Right.
pieces of beans from upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Puts it into the mixer.
Mm-hmm.
That's the same time you add your different flavors, ingredients, and sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Now this has to grind it into a paste,
Mm-hmm.
and with its own cocoa butter, it melts into the beans, and it all becomes a liquid.
Yeah.
Mm.
This has to turn for 3 to 4 days non-stop.
Really?
3 to 4 days non-stop.
And with the friction, it warms it
Yeah.
to a certain temperature.
Mm.
Now there's a different stage called tempering.
Right. That's what I hear about.
Tempering is to get the right crystal form of chocolates, because chocolates can have 6 types of crystals. We choose one kind. That's when you put on the vibrating table.
Mm-hmm.
You fill the molds.
Mm-hmm.
It vibrates.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's when you get the natural form of chocolates.
Okay.
Mm.
If it's not tempered at all, that's how it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I've
really?
seen chocolate like that. Yeah.
So that's not a good grade of chocolate. It's very.
She said,
So this is full of air bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
It has not been crystallized properly.
Mm-hmm.
But what you can do, you can remelt it over.
Mm-hmm.
You can reuse it over,
Mm-hmm.
as long as the same flavored chocolates.
Okay.
So when you fill the molds here,
Mm-hmm.
put it in the fridge for 1-2 hours,
Mm-hmm.
and then last stage you package it. When it comes from the molds, that's how it looks like.
yeah.
Ah, look at there.
Oh, look, I'm having
It's
flashbacks.
nice and cool in here. Yeah.
Because you can't,
It can't be hot.
it can't cure when it's warm.
Yeah, that's
Right.
true.
So you have to keep it cool.
Very nice.
All right, nice. And so do you all supply like the local stores or do people
Yes.
just come here? Okay.
Because even the hotel has. The
Yeah.
hotel have, yeah. I think I saw the packaging.
Yeah,
The bags.
some of the hotels
Yeah.
have it.
Nice.
And mainly at the big stores in Rosso,
Mm-hmm.
HHV, Stefan's,
Mm-hmm.
La Coyol, Fresh Market,
Okay.
S-Mart. And
Which one is that one?
This is Ginger,
Ginger?
and this is her favorite.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Very good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. These are the different ones.
The children will love this one.
So we've had the ginger, hot pepper,
tangerine.
tangerine, lemongrass.
there's one other one.
It has a kick.
Which one is that one?
This is cocoa nibs. This is a chocolate, the little pieces of beans in it, so it is crunch.
Oh, I like crunch too. I like chocolate too much. I need to go to rehab.
You gotta go to rehab.
So this one has cocoa milk in it.
Little more bitter, but it's still good. And that's 67%.
67.
After I finish all this chocolate that I'm about to get from Dominica, I'm going to rehab.
Yeah, yeah. Go to rehab.
So this one is Christmas.
What is it? The spice?
Spice.
The spice one.
Spice is Christmas.
It's called it Christmas.
I like the crunch of the coconut.
Spice is good. Very good. Maybe the salt.
Yeah, salt,
Spice. And the salt thing is
This is like chocolate and salt. does taste like Christmas.
Very good.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
So good.
Very good.
You like the salt?
Very good.
Which one?
I like that lemongrass.
We should take a lemongrass, a tangerine, a ginger. Oh, we didn't taste mint.
I don't.
I like
You
it.
use mint oil for that too?
Mint?
What do you use for the mint?
Oh, oil.
That's what I figured.
Salt also.
Did you want the salt?
I mean, we can.
No, I wanted lemongrass, tangerine, ginger. I want the one with coconut. Did you like the cayenne? I like
No, the kind. I mean, yeah. I like the lemon. The lemongrass is my favorite.
like something missing, like I'm missing.
Yeah, there's something. The mint.
He doesn't really like the mint.
Okay.
Oh, hot pepper. I got some.
The cayenne.
Yeah, every now and then. Okay, that's good.
Gotta love it.
Sweet daddy, don't let me eat all. No.
You cannot.
Do not say that.
You cannot.
Cannot.
You can't, gal. You can't.
This is
This is beautiful out here.